Psalm 104.
Verse 18. The high hills are for the wild goats, the cliff are a refuge of the rock badgers. He appointed the moon for seasons, the sun knows it's going down. You make darkness, and it is night, in which all the beasts of the forest creeps out. The young lions roar after their prey, and seek their food from God. When the sun rises, they gather together, and lie down in their dens. Man goes out to his work, and to his labor until the evening. O Lord, how many folds are your works! In wisdom you have made them all. The earth is full of your possessions, the great and the wide sea, in which are innumerable teeming things, living things both small and great. There are the ships sail about, there is that Leviathan, which you have made to play there. These all wait for you, that you may give them their food in due season. What you give them in they gather in. You open your hand, they are filled with good. You hide your face, they are troubled. You take away their breath, they die and return to their dust. You send forth your spirit, they are created, and you renew the face of the earth. May the glory of the Lord endure forever. May the Lord rejoice in his works. He looks on the earth, and it trembles. He touches the hill, and they smoke. I will sing to the Lord as long as I live. I will sing praise to my God while I have my being. May my meditation be sweet to him. I will be glad in the Lord. May sinners be consumed from the earth, and the wicked be no more. Bless the Lord, O my soul, praise the Lord. This is the word of God.